Welcome to the in front of me CUBOT Note 9, and I'll show you how to mute ringtone volume on this device. So first let's open the settings application and then tap on the sound section. Then you'll see here a ringtone notification volume panel, and just to mute your device ringtone you should hold and swipe to the left side this green dot. So we can make it by the second way. Just first we should press up or down volume button here on the right side of our phone. Then we should click here to the settings icon, and just to mute your ringtone we should by the same way hold and swipe to the left side this dot, and then just tap here to done, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.